I have been testing a bunch of different scan tools lately, and I will give you a list of my favorite ones that I feel like have better value for the money than competition. But because scan tools progress really fast, there are always some new scan tools coming out. On my website there is a list of best bidirectional scan tools, and there will be my current lists of best scan tools. So today I will be mentioning 3. In that article there are already 5 best choices, and in the future of course I will be replacing with the new better tools. So I recommend you to check that article as well. But now let's start with first pick. At number 3 we have Mukar 682, and that is the cheapest scan tool you can buy right now. It is very good compromise if you don't want to spend much, but you still want to have that bidirectional scan tool. You don't really want to use your smartphone and these Bluetooth adapters. You want to have scan tool, but you don't want to spend a lot. So for about $270. By the way, for all of these scan tools that are linked in description, you can use coupon code CARHACKER and you will get extra 10% off. So with this coupon code, I think it will be around $250, and you are getting full system access. So you can go into every control module, whether it is body module, radio module, ABS module, transmission module, engine module, whatever module it is. You are able to go inside, you can scan it for faults, you can erase codes, you can read live data, you can do bidirectional tests. And you can do special functions or service resets like all reset, first DPF regeneration, key remote programming, odometer reset. Which functions we will be able to use for your car depends on which functions your car actually supports. Because these scan tools have service resets, but of course you cannot use all of them for every car. They must be supported for your car as well. If you want to find out if your car does support some specific features using this scanner or other scanners on this list, you can follow links in description. I am linking to manufacturers' websites, and there you can ask in the live chat specific questions if your car model will be supported for this or that service procedure. So fairly cheap you are getting professional scan tool, bidirectional, and best part is it comes with free lifetime updates, so you only pay for it once. And then you don't have to worry about any subscriptions, any fees. Everything is free and you are getting free updates. So always when there is new update for some car brand or some software, you can download it for free. And with this scan tool, it is also nice that you can control it both with buttons, and it also has touch screen. So there are 2 options how you can control this tool, and it has wired connection, which is not something everyone likes. However, I think it's great because when I'm working on car, I will plug it inside and then my scanner is charging from car. So the more I use scanner, the more it is charging, and I don't have to keep charging my scanner often like with Bluetooth scan tool. So this is best budget pick, but what if you want more features? Then I would suggest going with Xtool D8S. And Xtool D8S is the cheapest scanner I could find with topology scan. So when we are scanning full car, so you want to scan all control modules for faults, you can choose between list scan, but you can also do topology scan, which will show topology tree of your control modules, which is very helpful when you are diagnosing some communication or electrical issues. In addition to that, you have more service resets. You have 32 service resets, so about double of what Mukar 682 offer. And from all scan tools brands I tried, the Xtool has best support for these service resets. Already with this Xtool or different Xtool scanner, I was using bunch of services like airbag reset, odometer reset, TPMS resets, like complicated service resets that does not work easily. But in Xtool everything worked flawlessly, so I really recommend it for someone that is working on cars a lot, so for actual mechanics which needs these service resets. And then also you got ECU coding, so you can also unlock some hidden features. You can disable features you don't want, like seatbelt warnings. That is also dependent on car, so you can only adjust those settings that are already in your car. And what is that? I cannot tell you because every car comes with different settings. Newer cars has these hidden secret menus that are accessible only with scan tool with ECU coding. So if you have scanner like this, you are able to change these settings and customize your car only with scan tool. And then if you don't need these service resets as much, but you would rather have some tool that is faster, quicker, easier to carry around, that I suggest going with Mukar 892 Bluetooth. So this scanner also have free lifetime updates. For Xtool I forgot to mention that you have 3 years of free lifetime updates, and then if you want to have newest software you have to pay for newest update. So Mukar 892 Bluetooth is with free lifetime updates, so you only pay once, and then you will get all of the software updates for free. It is also lighter, easier to carry around than Xtool, so if you are doing something like used car checks or different job where you need to scan cars quickly, maybe you are a fleet manager, something like that, you need tool to be reliable but also fast, then Mukar is way to go. You have different options how you can scan your car, so you can only choose. With other scan tools, you can only choose scanning one module or all modules. But with Mukar 892 Bluetooth, you can actually choose which modules you want to scan. So let's say you are working on some new Mercedes with 17 control modules, and you want to scan only 4 modules. You don't have to scan full car and wait long time. You can just do these 4 modules, and then you got it scanned quickly. It also has built-in AI and $Fix community. $Fix community, you can find some of DIY guides from DIY mechanics, and this AI assistant can analyze fault codes for you. So right now it is not that advanced, because of course AI is fairly new, and even newer is using it in OBD2 scanners, but you have free updates, so as this AI will keep getting better, you will also get these new updates. Because honestly, I think the AI will be future of diagnosing these problems, because these big companies like Mukar, Xtool, if they would collect data from millions of cars, they can train AI on very good amount of files, and that I imagine it that in few years you will just plug scanner and AI based on all the live data, all the fault codes, it will tell you to do some tests and it will analyze everything for you, and it will be way precise with diagnostics than humans. I think maybe it will not be like that, but AI is definitely getting better in OBD2 scanners, so this is a big plus having built-in AI in something like this Mukar 892 Bluetooth. And unlike Xtool or Mukar 682, it is not wired connection, so you have to be prepared that these scan tools will need you to charge them more often, like wired connection. But then on the other hand, it is easy to operate when you are doing some data logs on Drive. It is way simpler to do it with Bluetooth scan tool, or if you are doing used car checks, it is also a lot simpler to use Bluetooth scan tool than wired one. So yes, these are my 3 favorite scan tools right now, and for more scan tools, go to the article linked in description, best scan tools, and there are some more picks, and in the future, of course, I will be replacing it with the newest, best scan tools.